Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about Monkey Ball token launch that's happening, and there are two platforms where you can actually buy this. I'm going to be running you through everything you need to know, so make sure to stick around all the way till the end to also learn how you can potentially gain a part of 1 million MBS token that's being airdropped to anyone who holds that holds the MBS token after this launch happens. So there are two things you need to know. The first, the first thing is when the token is launching. So the token is being launched at 21st at 2 p.m. UTC, and there's going to be two places that launches in. The first is Radium, and to buy it in Radium, you want to go to monkeyBall.com and then press address bar. Once you go to address bar, you'll be taken to this stage, and you have the token address right here. You can see you need to copy this, go over to Radium Swap, and put this address in, and you will get the MBS token, and then you can use any other token to buy MBS. Go with USDC or a Stars token to convert them into MBS. Now there is a 0.5% slippage. So if you're someone who doesn't want to deal with it, the other option for you to do is actually buy the token using a centralized exchange platform. And for MBS token, this will actually launch at the same time on FTX with their liquidity pool as well. I'll leave the links to both of these in the description of the video. So if you haven't seen it already, you can run through this on how to make your account. Now there are some countries who cannot participate in, which is posted right here. So if you're someone looking to do that. Now, as time for the airdrop, now if you're someone who got in the pre-sale, then there will be a button here where it will let you actually get your allocation. If you've already gotten into the pre-sale, then you will receive a proportion of the 500,000 MBS token giving you to for free. So that means you will get 5% more than what you're supposed to get if you got in on the pre-sale. And yeah, that's pretty much all the information you need to know. This is happening really, really urgently. Now, in terms of my recommendation, I would actually recommend you wait a little bit before you buy this, because usually when token launches, there is a huge demand for all the people, and then it slowly drops over time. So I would recommend you dollar cost average this and not put all your money at once, because you may buying something really high, and yeah, and you don't want to lose money like that. So I would recommend you start with a small amount and do it for several intervals to see how you go. Congrats to everyone that actually got into the pre-sale and got this. Looking forward to this launching and playing the game as well. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks. Bye.